Sweet potatoes are widely recognized for their nutritional value and versatility in cooking. These vibrant tubers are packed with essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants, which contribute positively to overall health and wellness. From side dishes to soups and baked goods, sweet potatoes have become a popular choice for many looking to enhance their diets. However, despite their numerous health benefits, sweet potatoes may not be suitable for everyone. In this video, we'll delve into the potential side effects of consuming sweet potatoes, particularly for individuals with specific health conditions or those using certain medications. Some of these side effects can arise not due to existing health issues or medications, but rather due to individual physiological reactions to sweet potatoes. By the end of this video, you'll gain insights into when to avoid sweet potatoes and how to incorporate them wisely to maximize their benefits. We'll also discuss groundbreaking scientific research on optimizing nutrient absorption through sweet potato consumption. Sweet potatoes are renowned for their nutritional profile, notably as an excellent source of beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A, an essential nutrient for vision and immune function. Each sweet potato also provides a range of vitamins and minerals including vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, and manganese, supporting energy production and overall health. Additionally, the fiber content in sweet potatoes promotes digestive health and helps in regulating blood sugar levels. Let's begin by exploring the conditions under which it may be advisable to avoid consuming sweet potatoes. Number 1. Kidney health. Sweet potatoes contain significant amounts of potassium, a vital mineral essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure and overall heart function. However, for individuals dealing with chronic kidney disease, managing potassium intake becomes crucial. When kidneys are compromised and unable to effectively filter excess potassium from the blood, it can lead to a condition known as hyperkalemia. This condition is characterized by dangerously high levels of potassium, which may manifest with symptoms such as muscle weakness, fatigue, irregular heartbeats, and in severe cases, cardiac arrest. Studies in nephrology emphasize the critical importance of monitoring potassium levels in individuals with kidney disease. If you have compromised kidney function, it is essential to discuss your dietary intake of sweet potatoes and other potassium-rich foods with your healthcare provider to mitigate potential complications. Number 2. Blood sugar management. Sweet potatoes have a moderate glycemic index, which means they can cause a gradual increase in blood sugar levels. While this gradual rise can be beneficial for maintaining steady energy levels, it may lead to blood sugar spikes in individuals, especially those with diabetes or insulin resistance. The impact of sweet potatoes on blood sugar can vary depending on how they are prepared, whether baked, boiled, or fried, and the portion size consumed. Research suggests that combining sweet potatoes with protein or healthy fats can help stabilize blood sugar levels, particularly for those managing diabetes or monitoring blood sugar. When choosing sweet potatoes, and considering their preparation, it's important to select options and portion sizes that align with your dietary needs. For individuals with diabetes or those concerned about blood sugar levels, consulting with a healthcare provider or a dietitian can offer personalized guidance on incorporating sweet potatoes into a balanced diet to minimize blood sugar fluctuations and maintain optimal control. Number 3. Digestive disorders. Sweet potatoes contain a significant amount of fiber, which is generally beneficial for digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and supporting healthy gut bacteria. However, for certain individuals, particularly those with digestive disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, the high fiber content in sweet potatoes can cause gas, bloating, and abdominal discomfort. The fiber found in sweet potatoes may be challenging for some people to digest, potentially worsening symptoms associated with conditions like IBS. Gastroenterological advice often recommends gradually increasing fiber intake and carefully monitoring how the body responds to manage these issues. If you experience digestive discomfort after consuming sweet potatoes, it may be helpful to consult with a healthcare provider or dietitian. They can assess your symptoms and provide recommendations for dietary adjustments to alleviate discomfort and support digestive health. Number 4. Oxalate content. Sweet potatoes contain oxalates, natural compounds that can bind to minerals such as calcium in the body, potentially forming crystals. For individuals prone to kidney stones, consuming foods high in oxalates like sweet potatoes can increase the risk of stone formation. Research indicates that a diet rich in oxalates can contribute to the development of calcium oxalate kidney stones, the most prevalent type. If you have a history of kidney stones or are at risk of developing them, it's crucial to monitor your oxalate intake. Seeking guidance from a healthcare provider or a nutritionist can assist in managing your diet to minimize the risk of kidney stone formation while still enjoying the nutritional benefits of sweet potatoes. Number 5. Allergic reactions. Although rare, some individuals may experience allergic reactions to sweet potatoes. Symptoms can vary from mild to severe and may include skin rashes, itching, swelling of the lips, face, tongue, or throat, difficulty breathing, and in severe cases, anaphylaxis. These reactions occur because the immune system mistakenly identifies proteins in sweet potatoes as harmful substances. Allergy research suggests that individuals with a known sensitivity to sweet potatoes or other root vegetables should exercise caution. If you suspect you have a sweet potato allergy, it is essential to avoid them and consult an allergist for a proper diagnosis and management strategies. Number 6. Medication interactions. Sweet potatoes can interact with certain medications, particularly those affecting blood pressure and heart health. The high potassium content in sweet potatoes can amplify the effects of potassium-sparing diuretics, potentially leading to hyperkalemia. Additionally, the vitamin A in sweet potatoes can interact with retinoid medications used to treat skin conditions like acne and psoriasis. Pharmacological studies highlight the need for individuals on these medications to monitor their dietary intake of sweet potatoes. If you are taking any chronic medications, it is essential to consult your healthcare provider to manage your consumption of sweet potatoes, avoiding potential interactions and ensuring the effectiveness of your treatments. Number 7. Vitamin A toxicity. Sweet potatoes are high in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is crucial for vision, immune function, and skin health, but excessive intake can lead to toxicity, especially when combined with other sources of vitamin A, such as supplements. Symptoms of vitamin A toxicity may include nausea, dizziness, headaches, and, in severe cases, liver damage. While it is challenging to reach toxic levels of vitamin A from food alone, consuming large amounts of beta-carotene-rich foods like sweet potatoes in conjunction with vitamin A supplements warrants caution. If you have concerns about your vitamin A intake, consult with a healthcare provider to ensure you maintain an appropriate balance. Number 8. Thyroid function. Sweet potatoes contain goitrogens, substances that can interfere with thyroid gland function. For individuals with thyroid conditions, particularly hypothyroidism, consuming large amounts of goitrogenic foods may worsen their condition by inhibiting iodine uptake, which is crucial for thyroid hormone production. Although cooking sweet potatoes can reduce their goitrogenic effects, individuals with thyroid issues should monitor their overall intake of goitrogenic foods. Consulting with an endocrinologist or healthcare provider can offer personalized advice on managing thyroid health while including sweet potatoes in the diet. Did you know you can further enhance the nutritional benefits of sweet potatoes by combining them with the right foods? Recent scientific studies have revealed that sweet potatoes, already rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, can boost nutrient absorption when eaten with other nutrient-dense foods. A recent study found that including sweet potatoes in meals can enhance the absorption of beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant. Participants who consumed meals containing sweet potatoes absorbed significantly more beta-carotene. This nutrient boost is due to the unique combination of fiber and healthy carbohydrates in sweet potatoes, which help the body absorb and utilize fat-soluble nutrients like beta-carotene more efficiently. This effect isn't limited to meals alone. Another study published in the Journal of Nutrition showed similar benefits when sweet potatoes were paired with various nutrient-rich foods, enhancing the absorption of their inherent antioxidants. To put this knowledge into practice, try adding mashed sweet potatoes to salads, mixing roasted sweet potatoes into your morning oatmeal, or incorporating them into vegetable stir-fries. Not only will these sweet potato-centric meals taste great, but they'll also provide a powerful nutritional boost that can support everything from healthy vision to a stronger immune system. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.